Alright, so now that Carson is dropped off, there's a little plot twist in what's going on that Carson didn't know about. We're actually all three going on a cruise without Carson.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Hey guys, it's Monday. It's almost time for my Alaska vacation. I'm so excited. But anyways, I was gonna kind of bring you guys along with me this week because we're gonna be busy every single day. So today we are going to get Kyler's oil changed. And then we've got to go to the tag office and get my tag title and tax on my car. And then we're going to go get something to eat for lunch. And then, what else are we going to do? Is that it, Kyler?
Yeah, and then tonight.
Yeah, we got to go.
We can go see a movie tonight, too.
No, we don't. Sorry about that. We got a phone call. Or Kyler got a phone call. Anyway, I'm going to switch. Can you switch this around?
I have no idea. Do they even open? Is there anybody in here?
Yeah, they're open. How do you switch this?
A little bit of update that we didn't do in the car is I went and got a haircut, and I'll show you those photos before and after. I think I'm gonna do like this. Mom, you dropped all the hangers.
What?
Pick that up right now.
Hey.
Pick that up.
I am.
Pick it up.
You big turd.
Pick it up.
You pick it up.
Anyways, Carson's got his stuff ready to pack, so he's gonna leave for the week. So he won't be here, but anyways, he's got everything getting ready to go. But that's what we're doing. We may go out to eat still tonight. I'm not really sure. Get what?
Get ready for the World Cup, man.
The World Cup.
Yeah.
Get ready for the World Cup, man.
Yeah.
And this is a little, like, with the lights on, y'all can actually see Carson's little setup back there. Little gaming lights is set up. Carson, Jersey's chilling in your chair.
Yeah, man. He's like...
Jersey's gonna enjoy your chair while you're gone.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think we're gonna go get something to eat later tonight.
I'm taking it apart and bringing it with me.
You're already gonna sneak your monitor. Oh, yes. I guess it's not sneaking now, because everybody just heard. But
Yep.
this will be over by the time I post this, so it's
Yeah.
fine. Carson will get away with it, it's alright.
Yeah.
But, Carson, we need to do a scare cam again sometime soon.
Yeah.
We need
Not
to
really.
get scared sometime.
Here's my dinner. I'm having a brownie for dinner because I wasn't hungry. I did eat a salad. Now I'm having a brownie. Carson's having chicken strips and fries. What are you having, Kyler?
Country fried chicken.
Shannon's having a hamburger. Those are fried pickles.
Good afternoon, everybody. It is Tuesday, July 23rd, and we are taking Carson to Laura's. He's leaving us for the week. Carson's kind of in a mood today. But anyways, we're taking him to Ponca so that way he can be there while Mom and Dad go on their trip. And I think
we're going to go leave him with my stepsister, Laura.
Yeah.
She actually lives in Caw City, but she works in Ponca City at a physical therapy place, and so she gets off work at 5 o'clock, so we're going to meet her at Enrique's Mexican restaurant by the airport in Ponca City, Oklahoma. We have never been there before. She says it's really good Mexican, so
we'll see. We will put their salsa to the test to see. I think that's really about it. I think she was in one of our YouTube videos, I think.
Yeah,
I'm trying to think of which one.
She doesn't like to be filmed a lot, so we may not show her, but we will show you what we get for dinner at the Mexican restaurant.
Yeah, we will show the Mexican restaurant. Hey, check this out. We're going by this building. The Lions Bank. The Lions Bank? The Lions Bank, I think is what it is. I've actually been, there's a huge building around here somewhere that I think we may have passed that I've actually been in. And it's like for rich people.
They
Like,
have an energy building.
No, it's not that.
No.
It's like the pin 50 or 50 pin, I think is what it's called.
Oh, yeah.
And it is like rich people, like people in there all wearing suits and like the prices in there.
Place, I think what it's called.
Yeah, it's really expensive. But anyways, yeah, we got about 88 miles, so we're gonna have some jam sessions and stuff, and then we will show you what we go eat tonight.
Okay, I got chicken avocado enchiladas. What'd you get, Laura?
Chicken fajita quesadilla.
Chicken fajita quesadilla. Beef
No,
nachos
enchiladas.
for Dylan. And beef nachos for Tyler. Fajitas for Carson. And Tyler, what'd you get down there?
A chicken enchilada.
Chicken enchilada.
Hi, Carson. See ya. We're gonna unpack his stuff for him and put it into Laura's car. So, Mom, we go bye-bye. All right, so now that Carson is dropped off, there's a little plot twist in what's going on that Carson didn't know about. We're actually all three going on a cruise
It was at this moment he knew.
without Carson.
No, we aren't.
But anyways, so tomorrow we will go to Mimi's doctor's appointment, take her there, and she wants to go out to eat with us for my birthday dinner, even though my birthday is actually going to be like on the 28th, and so it's like 5 days from now. So I think that's it that we're doing tomorrow, though. Thursday, we're kind of going to get some stuff for me, kind of that I'll have at the house while I'm there, while they aren't there. And then Friday at like 4 o'clock in the morning, I have to take them to the airport to get ready to leave. So, do you have any words about anything? Would you like to share any news? Spill the tea.
I think you got it all.
I don't know.
Hey guys, what's up?
It is Wednesday, July 24th, I think.
Yeah.
And we are here to pick up Mimi so we can go to the doctor and we can go out to eat tonight for my birthday. My birthday is not until Sunday, of course, on the 28th, but Mimi wanted to kind of go out for my birthday and have a little birthday dinner so she could be a part of that.
Yeah, so we're gonna go to Cheddar's tonight in Yukon, Oklahoma. And it's a good restaurant. I don't know if you've been there before, but it's good. We like it. They have the best honey butter croissants. Oh my gosh, I'll have to show you guys. They're so good. But we'll try to video a little bit of Mimi's. She got a cochlear implant in one of her ears. She's completely deaf in one ear, and the other ear is starting to go out. She's got lupus, and so it's ate the nerves in her ear, bless her heart. So she got a cochlear implant, and she's doing real well with it. She's going to go today and get some, today's a question day, so she's going to get to go ask all kinds of questions that she wants to ask. So we'll try to video a little bit of it for you while we're in there without her knowing she didn't like us to video.
Even though she's probably going to watch this.
Yeah, but she's doing real good. She's doing real good, and we're happy that she can
the only
hear.
thing that stinks is now I can't talk behind her back, you know.
I know.
Not that we do that anyways, though, Mimi. We would never do that to you.
Yeah.
But-
All right, so we'll catch you guys later when we get to the doctor's office. We got to get going.
Cinnamon rolls here for the win. Great little birthday dinner. Mom's idea to come here and get these rolls. We love these rolls. It's so good.
So comfortable, but they're so ugly.
The Brooks shoes.
Yeah.
We're doing some last minute shoe shopping because Mom and Dad think that they need to get some shoes.
Those are kind of neat, huh?
Yeah. Those are cool. I could see you in these grandma shoes.
Those are...
Grandma wearing grandma shoes.
Whatever.
It is 5:52 a.m. on Thursday, July 25th, and we ended up getting up early to make some breakfast. Mom wanted to show me how to make some eggs. She needed to check into her flight. So we got up early to eat some breakfast. So we're gonna make some scrambled eggs and bacon, I think, or something like that. And then we're gonna go back to bed because it's too early and I'm not feeling it. What's that deal with that girl says? Or is she like not doing it or something like that?
Ain't doing it.
Ain't doing it. Mom's getting all her stuff packed, ready to go. She hasn't put it into a suitcase yet because she's waiting for Dad, and we're also going to do like a what to pack video, so that way we'll have that up for you guys. But she's pretty much getting everything out to pack and put into a suitcase. There's even some stuff that you guys have seen in like a past video in there. But we're just waiting for Dad. Dad's actually on his way home, and then we will be filming shortly a what to pack video. Dad's going to get himself a little haircut before their trip here at Supercuts. And I think Mom finally finished all of her packing stuff. Did you get everything finished?
I think so.
Yeah. Have you packed Dad's stuff?
No. Dad's gonna pack Dad's stuff.
Anyways, on another note, is little Jersey went with us in the car today. Jersey's getting some experience in the car. We're trying to get him used to riding in the car with us. Are you excited? Yeah. So Jersey, he's a little upset right now because they don't do they wouldn't shampoo him, and he needed to be shampooed really bad, and Supercuts wouldn't do it, and so he's a little upset. But anyways, he'll get over it. We're gonna go grab some pizza too. I think we're gonna get some stuffed crust pepperoni, and so that's gonna be a good dinner. We got some leftovers in the fridge for me for the week. That's finger looking good right there. Oh yeah, it does. It looks really good. It is about 9:47 p.m. here on Thursday still, and we have been doing a lot of packing. There's a suitcase right here behind me. They have another suitcase here. They have a backpack here, and then they have some clothes laid out that they're going to take. Like I said, we've been doing a lot of packing. We did video this packing, so you guys will get a chance to see that. However, we are going to put it in another video and make like a kind of what to or how to pack for Alaska. So that way you guys can see that in its own video. So we kind of skipped through that here, but just to let you know that that video is coming soon, so that way you guys can have a what to pack or how to pack trip to Alaska. It is 3:08 a.m. on Friday, July 26th. I am up to take Mom and Dad to the airport and get them ready to leave on their flight. I got me some breakfast, even though I got a honey bun and then just some regular milk there. I know it's 3 a.m. People are like, why you eat breakfast 3 a.m.? I'm getting a little bit in my stomach just so that way when I drive, it's not like I'm super tired. Hoping that this food will kind of like wake me up a little bit and then my body will feel like, oh, he's eating, oh, he's awake, you know? So that little reverse psychology there. I don't know if it'll really work, but let's hope for the best. All right, so you guys ready to go on your vacation?
Yes.
Tired.
We got plenty of time to sleep.
All right, well, let's go.
Yay.
And they are off, ready to get onto their plane. They're headed into the terminal, and for the rest of the vlogs, you guys will be seeing it from their point of view. Mom will be videoing for you guys. Now that I have them gone and out of the way, now it is time to throw a huge party. So stay tuned, guys, for next video.